Good morning to all. In the last class, we started with the chapter soil. We learnt about soil, then we learnt about the formation of soil. Then what did we learn? We learnt about different types of soil based on their characteristics. And then we learned what does soil contain. So today, let's discuss about the uses of soil. So we all know that soil is very, very important. It is a life support system, right? So today, let's learn about the uses of soil. So in that, let's see how soil is useful to plants. How soil is useful to plants. So see the first point. Soil is needed for growing crops. So soil supports plant growth. So by providing oxygen. Even plants need oxygen to live and grow. So spaces among the soil particles contain air that helps them to live and grow. Then, for a seed to germinate, what all things they need? They need air, water and soil. For a seed to grow into a baby plant, it needs air, water and soil. So, soil is very, very important for the growth of a plant. See the second one. Soil provides nutrients to plants and make them healthy. So, do plants need nutrients? Yes, they need nutrients to grow. And these roots absorb nutrients which are present in the soil and it carries them to all parts of the plant. So, plants need nutrients that makes them healthy. So, soil provides nutrients to plants. Third point, roots fix plants firmly in the soil. The next point is that the soil supports roots of a plant. It firmly holds the roots of a plant. Then, what about water? Do plants need water? Yes, even plants need water to live. And these roots absorb water which is present in the soil. So these are the different ways in which soil is useful to plants. Now let's see how soil is important to living things. How soil is important to living things. So soil is a habitat, or we can say soil provides habitat for many living organisms. So soil provides habitat, which means the right kind of environment for many living organisms. So, do you know which all organisms live in soil? Termites, ants, earthworms, all these live in soil. So, where can you find these earthworms? They live in wet soil. So, soil is a habitat for many living organisms. So, have you heard about the term soil organisms? Do you know which are these soil organisms? So, there are soil organisms like bacteria, fungi, earthworms. So, all these are soil organisms. And these organisms make the soil fertile. So, how do they make the soil fertile? So, we all know that plants grow in fertile soil. And these soil organisms make the soil fertile. So, how they make the soil fertile? So, these organisms, what they do is, they break down the remains of plants and animals into simpler substances. What they do? They break down the remains of plants and animals into smaller substances. They break down into simpler substances. And these substances make the soil fertile. And plants grow in fertile soil. So these organisms are very small so that they are not visible. So this is how soil is important to living organisms. It provides habitat for many animals. Now let's discuss about other uses of soil. So see the first point. Soil is an important part of the building process. So for building a bridge or for building a road or for building a house, The foundation is the soil. So soil is an important part of the building process. So for building anything, the foundation is the soil. For making a house, what do we need? We need bricks. So these bricks are made from soil. There are many kinds of toys that are made from soil. See the next point. Clay soil is used in making ceramics or pottery. So you all might have seen clay pot, or you might have seen vessels that we use in a home for storing water and for cooking food. So all these are made from soil. So clay soil is used in making ceramics or pottery. These vessels or pots are made of clay. See the next point. Sand, which is a part of soil, is used to make glass. So you all have seen glass. So this glass is made from sand, and sand is a part of soil. Then another use is for building houses. For example, hut. For building a hut, we use mud. So these are some of the other uses of soil. So from this, we can conclude that soil is our life support system. So soil is very, very important for all living things. So we are done with the chapter. Now you can take page number 120. There is a box given, life skills. Remember these. So you have to remember these three things. The first one, plants protect the soil. We should grow more plants. So we should grow more plants as plants protect the soil. The second one, the best time to water plants is late in the evening. The third one, do not discard plastics on open land. It spoils the quality of the soil. Then see the keywords given, soil. So what is soil? The topmost layer of the earth's surface, and it is made up of pebbles, sand, clay, soil, humus, air and small living things. What is humus? It is a part of the soil formed from decayed plant material. Below that you can see the box, remember, soil, types of soil and uses of soil. So which are the three types of soil? Sandy soil, clayey soil and loamy soil. Then see what are the uses of soil. To store water, provide support, water and humus to plants. Then it is home to animals. Then make pots, bricks and houses. So these are some of the uses of soil. So I hope you all are clear with the chapter. So we'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, thank you.